Okay, here is our homework practice, second grade 4-3. We're going to be looking at the different ways to group the ones and counting them up to make tens. They call this regrouping. When I was a kid, we called it carrying. I'm going to carry the number to the other side. So the new term is regrouping because what we are doing is actually regrouping them. So we've got this 46 plus 18. We are going to take the 6 and the 8 here. This becomes 14. 14 is one group of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So what we're going to take is the ones and put them in this box. And this 10 over here is going to go right over here in the tens column because it is a group of 10. And then we add straight down. We've got the 4. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 1 more is 6. So this is how we are doing it. The students actually really, really love this. This box here is for a regrouping. Sometimes you have to do regrouping, sometimes you don't. So we're getting them in the habit of seeing what transfers over. So 4 plus 9 is 13, which is one group of 10 and 1, 2, 3 ones. So they will take the 3, we're regrouping it, we're breaking it apart into the ones and tens. And this group of tens is going to go over here. We have one group of 10. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 more is 5, so 53. Doing the same thing, we're going to regroup this. 8 plus 5 is 13. We can't put 13 here. We can't have 2 digits in there. We can only have 1 digit. So we've got to break it apart into one group of 10 plus 1, 2, 3. We'll put the 3 in the ones place because these are our ones, and we bring the one group of 10 over. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8. Okay, let's head to the back page on this one. Okay, ready to go. Okay. We're going to write in the missing numbers, and we can draw place value blocks if we need to. I like to do that with the students. I feel like it's helpful. So 7 plus 7 is 14, which is one group of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Have the 4 down here. This group of 10 can't go here. It has to go in the group of 10 column. It's one group of 10. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 2 is 9, so 94. Now over here, we have 2 plus 5. Well, that's going to be 7. We don't have a group of 10. So we have 7 is 7 ones and 0 tens. So 0 plus 6 is 6, plus 1 is 7. We're going to regroup this one because we know that it's going to be larger than 9. The students know any number between 0 and 9 can go inside here, but you can't have 10 or larger. You can't have 2 digits or more. So 9 plus 3 is 12. We can have one group of 2. So again, 10, 11, 12. We put that group of 2 down here in the ones, and that 1 10 stick here. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. Some of these have missing numbers that we have to figure out. So this one already has a 5 here. So 7 plus 8 is 15. So the 5 in the ones place, the 1 in the tens place. And we have to figure out what this is. So this is another math mystery. This is great higher order thinking for the students. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus something equals 4. So they can count up. 3 plus 1 is 4. On this one, something plus 7 is 0. So we've got to take a look because 0 plus 7 would be 7. So we've got to think up, and it looks like we're going to have to carry or regroup. So if this is a 0, we think of 2-digit numbers that would have a 0, and that would be the number 10. So 10 would be one group of 10 and 0. So we have to think of what number? 7 plus what equals 10? So 3 plus 7 would equal 10. 0 in the ones place. Carry 1 over. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 equals 8. The students can also take a look at over here, and take a look at 2 plus 5 does not equal 7. So they can try to figure out what number would have to go up here to regroup it to make the answer correct. Okay, 8 plus 4. Oh, 8 plus 4, we're never going to have a 2. So we've got to figure out 8 plus 4 is 12. So 1 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. You can see we've already got 2 in the ones place. We're going to take this one group of 10, put it right over here. But we've got another math mystery. 1 plus 3 is 4. So we know that equals 4. But now the total down here is 6. So 4 plus what equals 6? It will be 2. Leah has 38 red cups. She has 25 blue cups. How many cups does she have in all? So in all, we know we're going to add these together. So we have 38 plus 25, and you can do this however you'd like to with your students. They can break it apart into 30 plus 8 and 25 plus 5, 20 plus 5, and do the 10s together and the 1s together. However they want to do it, they can draw sticks, they can count up as well. So here's our assessment. Do you have to regroup in order to find each sum? When we did this together in class, what we did is we just look at the numbers in the ones place. We can even circle them. And if we add them together and they're 9 or greater, we know we have to regroup because we can't have 10 in the ones place. So 2 plus 1 is 3. We would not have to regroup that one. 9 plus 0 is 9. It's not 10 or greater, so we would not have to regroup. 4 plus 8 is 12. That is greater than 9. We can't have a 1 and a 2 in the ones place. So yes, we would have to regroup on this one. And 9 plus 2 we know equals 11 in the ones place. So we would have to regroup that one as well.